I was missing my cutoff of prelims every time with 1 mark or 2 marks in CSAT. I used to clear paper one with 100 or 110 ka score every time, but I used to miss on CSAT from my fourth and third attempt. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि for the first time I need a holistic preparation, and that's why I joined Civils Daily का UAP program, sir. To be very honest, sir, I have actually cleared state का PSC exam also, and the credit entirely goes to Swatantra sir, honestly. Because I still remember मैंने जून या जुलाई में ज्वाइन किया था सिविल्स डेली, एंड एट दैट टाइम our state exams were also going on, and I was actually sailing in two boats. So at that time, when I spoke to Swatantra sir, he has actually said me कि we will, plan your journey according to mains ka and everything. But first, focus on your state exams. But if you'll clear it, not only you'll have a confidence, because before meeting Civils Daily ka team, I was completely into depression क्योंकि 5 attempts हो गए थे. And being a dentist, seeing my peer group succeeding in their, I was like, to be very honest, completely in that
क्या
zone.
कर रही हूँ?
So, हाँ. So he has actually said me कि अभी आप ये चीज को छोड़ दो, we will plan your prelims. I didn't even had the confidence कि मैं prelims भी निकाल सकती हूँ. Rest whatever mains का things used to happen, he used to give me targets and I used to complete those. उतना ही था मेरा, जितना भी interaction होता था मेरा. And state का I focused a lot. I guess he had faith in me more than I had in myself. He actually stood as an elder brother, if I can say so. So after my prelims, even जब मेरा clear हुआ, I was again in the sea कि I don't know how to prepare for the mains. Even though I was in this journey for like past 5 years, I really didn't know कि मुझे करना क्या है. Mains also, he like curated, and to be very honest, sir, at times I used to feel कि ऐसे होता है ना कि आपको कोई डांट देता है, तो I used to, sir used to do that also कि he used to say कि नहीं तुम यहाँ नहीं कर रही हो. I used to at times feel कि भाई why he is saying this much. But now when I look back, that motivation, that I guess that dant was need of that hour which he did. So उसके बाद yes sir, the journey.